So I got in a pair of surgical scissors from a local veterinary hospital to be sharpened, and we're going to clean them up on the Scotch-Brite wheel first, and then we're going to sharpen them on the twice as sharp. Got them sharpened on the twice as sharp. We're going to test them out on a nitrile glove, and they just cut very smoothly, and that's what they're going to want in the veterinary clinic. So that's how you sharpen veterinary shears or veterinary scissors, surgical scissors, using the twice as sharp.